Good morning, students. We had already discussed about the formulas which are available in plus 2 chemistry book. It is inorganic chemistry formulas we had completed. Now we are going to discuss some of the formulas which are available in physical chemistry area. What is unit cell? What is the number of atoms which is present in SC, BCC, FCC unit cell? Okay. Number of atoms present in SC unit cell, we have to calculate by using this formula NC by 8. NC nothing but number of atoms present in the corner. Corner atoms in a unit cell is 8, whereas in BCC unit cell we have to add two values, that is NC by 8 plus NB by 1. NB is nothing but number of body centered unit cell. In FCC unit cell we have to add NC by 8 plus NF by 2. What is NF? NC we already know. NF number of atoms present in the face of the unit cell. We can derive these values by a short method, that is corner atoms 8 in a unit cell. The atoms present in the corner is 8, and then just moving into next position 8, 4. Sharing, you have to know sharing of atom in the corner is 8, in the edge is 4, in the face is 2, in the body is 1. What we had written, sharing of atoms present in the 4 positions. Suppose an atom or ion present in the corner 8, then edge, this is corner, this is edge atom, this is face atom, this is body center. Just you can remember it, 8, half of the 8 is 4, half of the 4 is 2, half of the 2 is 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. This is the magic number for sharing of atoms. Total atoms we have to calculate, that is SC. In the unit cell we are having 8. 8 by 8 is equal to 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Next BCC, 8 by 8 plus NB, body central 1 by 1, say, therefore 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here 8 by 8 plus number of face atoms 6. The sharing is 2. This divided by value is shared by nearby unit cell, that is 2. 6 by 2, therefore 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. We can have another magic number, that is total atoms present in any unit cell. That is 3 types of unit cell which are available in our book. In SC, simple cubic unit cell, in body centered cubic unit cell, in face centered cubic cell. In SC, total atoms present is 1. That should be multiplied by double the number 1, 2, double the number 2, that is 4. 1, 2, 4. Total atoms present in SC unit cell 1, BCC unit cell 2, FCC unit cell 4. 8, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. We are having these formulas. Okay, next. Interplanar distance between the two successive planes, that is D is equal to n lambda 2d sin theta. We have to use this formula. N lambda 2 sin theta. We know the theta, lambda, n. We can calculate the D, interplanar distance. Next, density of the unit cell is equal to rho is equal to n capital M A cube n capital M divided by A cube Na. Density of the unit cell rho n capital M divided by A cube into Na. What are the parameters? N is equal to number of atoms in unit cell. Suppose if you are having SC, that you have to supply 1, BCC you have to supply 2, FCC you have to supply 4. M mass of the one atom, that is provided in this sum. A is equal to length of the unit cell, Na is equal to Avogadro number. These are the values to be supplied to find out the density of the unit cell. You have to just write the formulas. In some questions you can get partial marks. Next one is packing fraction or efficiency. In a unit cell, maximum occupied area that should be calculated, that is called packing fraction or efficiency. Total volume occupied by spheres in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Total volume occupied by spheres in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell into 100. By substituting these values, the values total efficiency of in SC, that is 52.38, and then in BCC 68, and then in FCC 74% occupied. Maximum efficiency, maximum packing efficiency is in FCC is available. Less packing efficiency in 52.38. We have to memorize these values. 52.38 in BC 68 and FCC 74%. Total volumes occupied by the spheres, by using this formula we can calculate. In SC, pi A cube by 6. In BCC, root 3 pi A cube divided by 8. Inge 6, inge 8, inge 6 again. In FCC, root 2 pi A cube divided by 6. SC, pi A cube by 6. BCC, root 3 pi A cube L, root 3 pi A cube by 8, root 2 pi A cube by 6 in FCC. What is 1 to 4? That is total atoms present. SC in SC, there is only one atom. All the corner has 8 atoms, but during sharing it is calculated as 1. In BCC 2, in FCC 4. Already we had given a magic number 1 to 4. Multiply that value, you can calculate the total volume occupied by the sphere. A unit cell இருக்கும்பொழுது, in unit cell the spheres may be atom or ion, that is maximum occupation. Remaining places are empty space, that is 52.38% of space is occupied by the spheres. The remaining space is vacant. Okay, next, rate of the reaction we will calculate minus change in the concentration of the reactant, square bracket, that is change in the concentration divided by change in time. Why we have to add minus? If you are reactants, if you are calculating the rate by using the reactant, you have to give the negative sign. If you are calculating the rate by products, you have to give positive sign. Here we are having the reactant, therefore you are giving negative sign. Rate is nothing but rate is equal to minus square bracket change in the concentration of the reactant divided by change in time. What is a unit of rate? Unit of concentration divided by unit of time, that is mole per liter per second. Mole per liter per second. Next one is integral rate equation for first order 2.303 divided by T log A naught by A naught concentration, that should be provided in square bracket, and then A concentration, that should be provided in square bracket. For first order K1 is equal to 2.303 log A naught by A. A naught is the initial concentration of the reactant. A is the concentration of the reactant after time T. For zero order, the K value, integral rate equation for zero order, A naught constant square bracket minus A square bracket divided by T. That is A naught concentration, initial concentration of the reactant. A concentration of the reactant after time T. Subtract these values divided by T. You can calculate the integral rate for zero order. Half-life period for any order equation. For first order, T of is equal to 0.6932 divided by K1. For zero order, T of is equal to A naught concentration divided by 2K. T of is equal to, for zero order, T of is equal to A naught square bracket. You have to note that the square bracket is nothing but the concentration of the A naught. If you are using other bracket, the formula is wrong. A naught concentration in square bracket divided by 2K. Half-life period calculation, yeah, standard formula is available. N is not equal to 1, which means that we cannot use this formula for the first order half-life period. Other than first order, you can calculate any T of equation, maybe zero order, first, second order, third order, except first order. We can calculate T of by using this formula 0, 2, 3, 4, 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 divided by n minus 1 k into A naught square bracket n minus 1. These are formulas which are available in physical chemistry. The remaining part we will discuss in the next video. If you are having any doubt, you can note this doubt in the comment box. I will explain. Thank you. Thank you, students.